Now, this is a great way to separate yourself from the competition. There's a lot of affiliates, they just promote products, and a lot of the times you can see right through them, and you know that they just want to make the money. They're not interested in helping their customers and their subscribers. Okay, so that's what's great about making review videos. Do a review the products that you promote, and let the customers and your subscribers know that you care about them and that the product that you're reviewing is of quality. Of course, try to be honest too. So if the product has some faults, some negative aspects to it, point those out, and also especially point out the benefits of the product. But just don't give away too much information in your review videos, because you want your customers and subscribers to remain curious about the product. You don't want to give away too much information about it, okay? Now, if you don't want to be in the video, which actually I highly recommend, it's more effective that way. But if you don't want to do it, you can just do it on a PowerPoint or on a Word document like I'm doing here. Okay, and lastly is for tools. There are a lot of tools out there. There's free tools and paid tools. The tool that I recommend is Camtasia for recording your videos.